Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the cool 1930s filter on TikTok and Instagram to transform your real videos. First, open your TikTok app and head to the search bar by tapping on the magnifying glass icon at the top right of the screen. Type 1930s filter into the search bar and you'll find videos that have this nostalgic effect applied. Choose any video that showcases this effect and look for the CapCut button right above the username. Tap on it to try out this template in CapCut, an editing app. In CapCut, you'll see a preview of how the effect will look. Simply tap on Use Template to import this template into CapCut. Next, you'll need to add a photo to use with the 1930s filter. Tap on Use Template again at the bottom right corner of the screen to open your photo gallery. Select a clear selfie where your face is well visible for the best results. CapCut will then process and create your video with the 1930s filter applied. Once it's done, you'll see your finished video with the nostalgic effect showing you how you would have looked in the 1930s. That's it. It's a fun and easy way to add a vintage touch to your videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more TikTok trends and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.